Hey everyone, Dave with DavesSportsCards here, back with another box break for the brand new 2012 Topps Allen and Ginter. Picked up blaster box here, 7 packs plus 1 extra pack. Picked this up at Walmart. Odds of a relic are 1 in 28. Mini autographs are 1 in 196. Yu Darvish rookie card in here. I believe a Bryce Harper rookie card in here to look for. 6 cards per pack. 8 packs per box for 48 cards per box. So let's get to it. Alright. And still just tossing them in there with no supports. Alright. Make sure we got our 8. 3, 6, 7, 8. Alright. Let's get to it. First pack. Alright. Nishioka. Tsuyoshi Nishioka, David Wright, Diane Viciedo, short prints, not yet, Torrey Hunter, nope. We got a black border rookie card, Devin Mesoraco, and Billy Butler. I believe that's a short print card, 329. I want to say that's a short print. I don't know if you guys can see that. 329. I think that's a short print. Alright. CJ Wilson, Mariano Rivera. Rookie card of Drew Pomeranz. And we got an insert here, World's Tallest Buildings. Woolworth Building, New York. It's going to be an insert. We got a mini of Justin Upton, that's A&G back. And what's in a name? Lynn Nolan Ryan. Okay. Third pack. Alright. Corey Hart, Carlos Zambrano, Robinson Cano, Adam Dunn, and we got a David Ortiz mini, regular, Zach Greinke. Oh, I think that's a short print card, 343. Pretty nice looking card. Same back design as last year. Okay. Coco Crisp, Lombardozzi rookie card. Steve Lombardozzi. Chris Young. And what is this? Is this a... That's a code card. Okay. Brandon League. Yep. Mini. And we got a What's in a Name. Troy Tulowitzki. And be the first to crack the code. Try and get through this a little quicker. Alright, Jason Kipnis, Dustin Ackley. Oh, that's a nice one. I like that. Ty Cobb. That's a nice one. Brian McCann. And man's best friend. Golden Retriever. Yep, and that's an insert set. And Howie Kendrick. Card 350, so I'm going to say that's another short print. Kevin Youkilis, Michael Pineda, Ken Griffey Jr., nice, and Historical Turning Points, Sputnik. Okay, oh, we got 2 minis in here, that's cool. Chad Billingsley, I think that might be a short printed mini, card 321. And Ramos Ramirez, or Alexei Ramirez, sorry about that. 335. Huh, maybe, I think the short prints are 301 to 350, not sure. And Ryan Wallace Zimmerman, what's in a name? 2 packs left. Chase Utley, Brett Lowry rookie, Jair Jurgens, Pablo Sandoval, Chris Parmalee rookie card, Alan Ginter back, and Matt Garza, 347. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. I'm getting a ton of short prints in here, unless they're pretty easy to get. Last pack. Alright, Roger Federer, okay. Josh Johnson, Kurt Suzuki, yep. And baseball highlight sketches. That's pretty nice. It's a really nice looking card. Roger Maris, that's awesome. Nice looking card. And we got a mini Giants of the Deep. Right Whale. Another mini insert set. And a What's in a Name, Michael Francisco Pineda. Alright, so that does it. That's a blaster of 2012. Alan and Ginter. You got about a 1 in 3 chance of getting a relic, which we did not, but that's okay. I do have a hobby box of this stuff on the way. But, well, there it is. 2012 Topps Alan and Ginter. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for my next box break.